In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's dive into what these two tools are and why connecting them can be incredibly beneficial. Calendly is an appointment scheduling tool that allows you to set up meetings without the back-and-forth emails. Zapier, on the other hand, is an automation tool that connects different apps together, allowing them to work seamlessly. When you connect Calendly to Zapier, you can automate repetitive tasks, like automatically adding scheduled meetings to a spreadsheet or sending notifications. Now let's get started. First, go to the Zapier homepage. You can do this by navigating to zapier.com and logging into your account. Once you are there, look for the option that says Create and click on it. This is where all the magic begins, as you'll set up your automated workflow, which Zapier refers to as a Zap. Next, click on Zaps, which refers to your automated workflows. This is the area where you can manage all your Zaps and see which ones you have created. Now it's time to set up the trigger for your Zap. Click on the word Trigger. This is where you will tell Zapier what event should start the workflow. Now in the search bar that appears, type in Calendly. This will let you search for the option related to Calendly. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Calendly. Now, you have to choose an event that will act as a trigger for your Zap. In this case, you'd want to select Invitee Created. This event will trigger the Zap whenever someone books a meeting with you on Calendly. Now that you have your trigger set up, the next step is to set up the action. Click on Action. This is where you can decide what happens after the trigger event occurs. In the search bar, type Google Sheets to specify where you want the data to go. Select Google Sheets from the options that appear. Similar to the trigger setup, you need to choose an action event here as well. Click on Choose an Event, and then select Creates a New Spreadsheet from the list. This is where any new meeting information will be sent. Now you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account so Zapier can access it. Go ahead and click on Add your account and sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier permission to interact with your Google Sheets. Once you've completed this step, you're just about finished. You'll want to test your Zap to ensure everything is working as expected. Zapier usually provides a straightforward way to do this, so just follow the prompts that appear on your screen. And just like that, you've successfully connected Calendly to Zapier. Now, every time someone books a meeting through Calendly, their information will automatically populate into your Google Sheets. This saves you time and keeps your scheduling organized. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.